Tanga tiri pachikurubiden fuchita graduation yepigari facilitated na Mr. Fulcrum or Mr. Karikoga. So tanga tichidzidza nezvekuchengeta nguruve, and from this experience or program takwanisa kudzidza matasks kana zvakasiyana siyana zvatinokwanisa kuita kuti tifacilitate integrate industry yepigari. And also as an inmate ndatowana mukana, as I was the best student, ndapiwa opportunity yekuti one of the partners yavari partnered with inonzi Sunrest Funeral Services, ndapiwa mukana wekuzoendera mberi kuita mortician kana ndabuda. So some people think kuti munhu kauya kuprison it's all about being incarcerated, but that's not the case, because the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services is working very hard to reintegrate and rehabilitate my inmates. So tikabuda, we do hope that community and society can accept us as we are reformed. Thank you. For those who are taking drugs, especially my youth, some people think that they can find solace in drugs, because nema problems I have to turn to drugs and stuff, but that's not really the case. There are better things to do. And other than this program, there are various programs that offer jail. So tikabuda kunze pane zvimwe zvoturi panze, you can learn rather than kuti utange wauya kujail wozodzidza. It's better to be content with what you have and then wotanga kungozvibatira mabasa emaoko, and that's it.
Organization saka ndotangidza mosha ndakapindira mosha ndakapindira ini ndeshoplifting. Taipinda mashop tichitora zvinhu, saka ndasungwa ndapa chikurubi female ndakazoselect kwawo kunzi ndiende kuopen prison kumarondera. Zvakaita kuti ndiselectwe igood behavior nemhosva yangu yakatariswa nevamwe vandaive navo vakataurawo maparira tikaita mhosva. Ndakaonekwa ndakakodzera kuti ndiende kuopen prison. Kuopen prison uku tinogara mumarooms edu, tinorara pamubhedha, tinopfeka hembe, tine mahome leave atinoenda every month 5 days kumba, tinoona vana, hama, tinotodzoka kujeri kusvika tapedza chirango chedu, asi takagaredu zvakanaka.
Saka apa uri kubuda jeri ringi?
Ini ndichabuda jeri next year muna March.
Particular last graduation, I always seek other partners out there. This is another partner I got last time in Vox, and I got last time on Kupurida, Vox solar panel.
Hey, I was there. I was the MC again. I remember.
Next time you'll be graying. Graduation. Anyway, Saka, particular last time she was the best student. And Nekubva Vox vafara nezvatakaita pano, though the solar wasn't here. And then Nekubva yauya zvikazi tomupa here zvikanzi aiwa ngamire next graduation. Saka today ndafara mama vacho vasvika. Saka nhau ichaitira pano tichaita yekuti rehab chef chawawa muzotibatsirawo. This solar inofanira kuno vakati ivo vachani installa pamba pairi kuenda zvigoonekwa kuti yasvika. Get the sole winner will last the solar panel, and this time tadzoka neSunrest vauya different packaging ndimataura zvokuti panzira nemabasa.
Vati best student achapinda basa vanomutraina kuita motigen upon sentence completion ari kusvika achinoenda kubasa.
Thank you so much. Saka that's what Fulcrum do. That's what we do. Saka this solar inonzi inosumudza fridge, stove nechi zvinhu zvakawandisa. Saka ndinongoti amai, it was a sentence by default, but pane zvayabatsira. Saka ndinongoti mwari kudenga kuitira zvakanaka. Ndatenda. This is Fulcrum.
Munhu akambosungwa ndakapinda musungwa, so when I get into the inside musungwa ndakakugara ndafunga just about 3 months. Ndagara 3 months, there's a lot of things zvandakagona kunotisa ndiri mukati panguva yacho iyoyo. Ndinongotenda Mwari, maybe it was a way of sending me there to learn 1 2 3 and come to save or to partner with ZPS so that 1 or 2 people can come out and save the nation like what I'm doing. So ndabuda mukati ndapara zvandakadzanira mukati kuti some of the people who coming inside, when they go out, their fingerprints, they are not going to be the same again. They can't do anything outside because one of the blacklist in so many ways. So when I go out, some of the people vachiri mukati ndakadza kuti vangaita magengi tikabuda panze anoita zvakati. So there was no transformation within them, but due to the fact that ZPS vane yavakati correctional yekuti they want to talk something about for correctional, then I said no, I think I can suit there. So I come to prison and then we talk, and then I said I want to come with some of these inmates the program for free for yokuchengeta nguruve. Then just opens your fish inside so that when they come out, like what our president said, this is the way you were doing. So in Zimbabwe tinongorarama nezveagriculture zvakare. So I was trying to impact these inmates with some knowledge so that when they go out, it's not about going to school to A level or university, but it's all about understanding. Saka, that's where I came here. Tanga kuvadzidzisa using my own things without any contribution from someone and using my own hands and everything. So I want to thank ZPCS for this guest here vakandipa so that it went well and it goes well. And some of the inmates as well as we speak, this is my 5th graduation. It was ndakapedza nemanenga in the province, but in Harare province I think this is my 4th graduation if I'm not mistaken. And I've got nearly 600 something. All in all, we have been graduated under this program. Paurongo ndakatanga ndichita like Manicaland, this is the whole Manicaland yese ndakatovakira mumwe musungwa danga rake ndakampa nguruve yake akabuda akatotangira pamwe panzvimbo. And then some of ndaona kuHarare through the kudaidzwa ndaita stake neprisons come back. Ndakasvika pakuti no, let me just help these guys. When they go out, they can come back through ZPS, where through rehab section. Why through rehab section inodaidza, and then told how best can we help some of these ones, especially those who are coming out the best in this workshop. It's not everyone is going to benefit there. Some of them can come to be helped, but what's your performance during the time? For some they want to do it, vaso perform and away ndinakata program here, but mukati anga singa performance during the workshop. So there are so many things we can look at it, but if you look at it, you're doing something good quite well, and then there's no problem. We can help you out there. Even startup yacho yokuti at least you can know where to start with. But my prayer right now is, if I help some of these people, I want them to come back and help other people who are inside as well.
On behalf of the officer commanding Harare Metropolitan Province and the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service, I welcome you here, and I'm going to read the guest of honor speech. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and importantly, the graduates and participants of this remarkable program. It is an honor to stand before you today to celebrate the achievements of the inmates members from the community, and correctional officers who have dedicated themselves to the Piggery program, courtesy of Fulcrum Piggery Consultancy. Today, we gather not only to recognize the completion of a program, but to celebrate the resilience, dedication, and transformation that has taken place within the walls of this institution through the 99 graduates who committed themselves to this program. The Piggery program has been a beacon of hope, a symbol of redemption, and a pathway to a brighter future for all involved. To the inmates who have participated in this program, I want to commend each and every one of you for your commitment to self-improvement and your determination to make positive changes in your lives. Your journey has been one of perseverance, and today you stand as living testaments to the power of rehabilitation and second chance. I also want to acknowledge the correctional officers who have worked tirelessly to support and guide the participants through this program. Your dedication to rehabilitation and your belief in the potential for change have been instrumental in the success of this endeavor. Your role in providing a supportive and nurturing environment for the inmates to grow and learn cannot be overstated. The Piggery program has not only provided practical skills in animal husbandry and agricultural management, but it has also instilled a sense of responsibility, teamwork, and purpose in all those involved. The lessons learned from caring for the animals, working together, and seeing the fruits of labor have undoubtedly left a lasting impact on each participant. As we celebrate this graduation, let us all recognize that this is just the beginning of a new chapter. The skills, values, and experiences gained through this program will serve as a stepping stone towards a brighter and more hopeful future. It is a testament to the fact that no matter the circumstances, every individual has the capacity for growth, change, and contribution to society, of which this is what the prisons and correctional service wants. Whatever you come from the community, when you go out, you must be a changed person and improved person. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates and my deepest gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this remarkable journey. Your resilience, courage, and determination inspire us all. As you move forward from this day, may you continue to embrace the spirit of transformation and carry with you the lessons learned from the Piggery program. Remember, the power to shape your future lies within you. Congratulations to the graduates, and may the future hold boundless opportunities for each and every one of you. Congratulations, Makoro Koto. I'm so open. Thank you.
We are teaching inmates to do Piggery, and as well what we do is we get inmates to be in our funeral services. As a student, we train mortician course. So we have also identified some inmates to join a sunrise and to give them a job. Yeah, that's what we do.
So for today on this graduation, how many have you identified
Yeah.
that you help with giving them jobs?
Okay, we have identified 2 inmates who excel in doing this program of piggery. We just want to give them a job so that we can help these inmates. Once they are done with their serving, they come to our funeral service to have job to work with us.
Tarangu ndoitwawo Blessing Sari and ndiri mu inmate pa Rare Central Prison and ndakasungirwa mhosva ye theft, ndakaba zvinhu zvavanhu and ndiri mukati meusungwa. Pakutanga taiti life yakapfava sekuiona kwatoita, but tichiudzwawo nevaberekiwo taitiwo zvinhu zvingori normal, tichizona normal nemubereki, but takazoona kuti hazvina kupfava semaonero atozviita. And ndiri muHarare Central takaitawo macourses edu atakaitawo tichibatsirwawo nerehab nechaplain, tichitendawo nemaofficers anotibatsira anotisundaidzawo mukunamata nekuitawo zvimwe zvekuti tidzokereredze mune zvimwe nzvimbo dzakanaka tigova tindi vanhu vakanaka musociety vanovokamwa nesociety. Ndiri pano ndichigraduata for Fulcrum Piggery course, ndaitirwawo nyasha naMwari dzekuwaniswawo basa yatinoti sunrise yemocharies, and pandazvinzwa ndamboda kuchema but ndazvidzora nemufaro, and ndichingotenda Mwari kuti Mwari vandibatsira tichibudawo panze. I am now a changed person. I believe Mwari vachandibatsira kuti ndive a changed person, ndigova ndichigara nevamwe zvakanaka musociety. Ndichingoti naizvozvo ndizvo zvoga.
Musungwa yanga iri yechi uye wakanga watongwa makore mangani?
Mhosva yakandiudza musungwa yanga iri theft, and ndandatongwa 12 months ndobva ndabvisirwa mamwe necourt, mamwe vandabvisirwa neprison, vandasara ndine 8 months. Ndandatora foni varidzi zvisiri pamutemo. Enda kumba musi wa8 April.
Saka iwewe kune vamwe vanhu vari panze vanodaro vachitopara mhosva kana kuti vakuda kutopara mhosva seya wakapara yakazowanikwa ichita kuti uye uri muusungwa, ndeapi mashoko aungavaudze?
Mashoko andingavaudze ndeyekuti no matter what situation paunoenda nyangwe zviome zvirwadze sei, chimwe chinhu chaungakwanisa kungoita just kunamata. Usanobe zvevanhu because kuba is not a solution ku problem yako. Just hard working is the solution ku problem yako. So changangovaudza ndechekuti ngavashande nesimba kwete kuba zvinhu zvevanhu.